What you doing, Maddie? Pretty girl. Here's Jack. Okay. We're gonna get out the room to do his work. All right, why don't we go have breakfast? Come on. Let's go have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. Leave the cat. Come on. You look so regal. Come on, let's go. First, I have to kill the Roomba. Maddie, it's working. You gotta let him work. Come on, gotta let him work. Turn him back on. No, that's off. Use your nose. Let's see. Nope. You're gonna get yourself in trouble. Jack, you love to tease the dog. What is it? Oh, now we've got Ellie coming to the party. Okay. Maybe the Roomba can do his work now. Okay, turn it back on now. No, turn it on. Turn it on with your nose. Come on, turn it on. Oh, decisions. Play with the Roomba, play with the cat. So many choices as a puppy. All right, come on. Come on, it's breakfast time. Come on. Circle the Roomba. Oh, the Roomba and the cat. Oh boy, this is too much fun. The Roomba's running over your feet. All right, come on. Let's go. No, it's breakfast time. Come on. No barking time. It's breakfast time. Come on. Let's go. Good girl, Ellie. Come on, Maddie. Let's go have breakfast. Come on. All right. I know. Decisions. Oh, one more swat for Jack. Come on, Ellie. She's a silly girl. Now you're getting run over by the Roomba. What'd you do to Roomba? All right, let Roomba keep working, okay? No, step away from the pillows. They go on the bed. Come on. She's such a complainer. All right, come on, Maddie. Let's go. Breakfast. Roomba's trying to escape from you and get under the dog bed. We should put you in product testing. How durable is the Roomba vacuum? Can it stand up to a Great Dane? Ooh, double paw, that one. Okay, turn it back on. Oh, you're just in off mode today. You just don't know who to bother today. There's just silliness everywhere. Oh boy. Obviously, Maddie has already had a double shot of espresso. So, come on, girls. That's enough. You're putting the Roomba on, and you're going to go have breakfast. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Don't run into Mom. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Ellie. Ellie, breakfast time. Come on. Oh, I know you can hear me, but you don't listen. Come on. It's just way too much fun to have fun first. All right, Mom's gonna go make a cup of coffee. Does anyone care? Apparently not. Okay, there we go.